What is the DOM? DOM stands for Document Object Model. That sounds technical, but here's what it really means. The DOM is a tree-like structure that your browser creates automatically when it loads an HTML page. It helps the browser understand the layout and elements of your web page, like headings, buttons, paragraphs, and more. Let's say you want to change the color of a text or update a message when a button is clicked. JavaScript alone can't do anything unless it knows where that element is. That's where the DOM comes in. It's like a map or a guide for JavaScript. The DOM helps JavaScript quickly find the exact element you want, like a p tag, div tag, or a button tag. Then JavaScript can easily change its color, content, or style. Who builds the DOM? Not you. Not JavaScript. The browser does it all. By reading the HTML you write and converting it into the DOM automatically. You don't need to create or manage the DOM manually. Just write HTML, and the browser builds the DOM behind the scenes. Yes, the DOM is not just a structure. It's also an API, which means Application Programming Interface. That simply means the browser gives you a set of tools, like getElementById function and querySelector function, and that let you interact with the DOM using JavaScript. So, here the short path. HTML creates the content. DOM turns it into a structured tree. JavaScript uses the DOM API to find and change parts of the page. So let's understand it with a simple example. If you're still not clear, this will help. Let's say you want to change the color of some text when someone clicks a button. JavaScript alone can't do that unless it knows where the element is. That's where the DOM helps. It gives JavaScript a map of the page, so it can quickly find elements and change them using the DOM API. Let's understand the DOM with a simple example. This simple code shows how the DOM acts like a bridge between your HTML and JavaScript, letting you interact with and update the page dynamically. Code is also available in the bio. First line. Doc type HTML. This tells the browser that the page uses HTML5. Next. HTML tag. Language is English. This begins the web page and sets the language to English. Now the head section starts. Inside the head, meta charset equals UTF-8. This makes sure all characters and symbols display correctly. Then, title is DOM example. This sets the title that shows in the browser tab. End of the head section. Now the body of the page begins. Inside the body, a paragraph with ID demo. It shows the word hello. The ID is important so JavaScript can find and update this element later. Next, a button. When clicked, it runs a function called changeText. The button label says, "Click me." Now comes the script section. We define a function called changeText. Inside this function, we say, document.getElementById. Demo. GetElementById is a built-in DOM API function. It lets JavaScript find an element by its ID quickly. Then we say, set inner text to you clicked. Inner text is the property that controls the text inside the element. So this line replaces hello with you clicked on the web page. Now let's test this code in VS Code. We open our HTML file. Right-click and choose Open with Live Server, or just open it in the browser. You'll see the text hello and a button that says click me. Now we click the button. The text instantly changes to you clicked. That means our JavaScript worked. It used the DOM API to find the element and change its text using inner text. Simple, clear, and successful. Hope you understood what the DOM is and how it works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe Speedy Solution for more easy tech content.